Hello everyone, my name is Edith Ramos from Abalite Village. This school year, we were required to speak in English the very first day of school. It was a challenge. Most of my students moved to our school because they want to learn. They are from the public school. To them, it was their first time to hear the English language. They were totally oblivious of what was going on. They did not understand anything. But I needed to continue doing it to up their bars and mine too. Every day, I have to repeat the drills until finally they become comfortable. It was very frustrating at first, but as time swiftly passed by, I just accepted that since they were cheated, it is my responsibility to stimulate them to learn how to learn. I asked God that I may desire to look at them how He looks at my needs and fulfill them through my students who needed my love and my attention. When I started allowing God to work with me, teaching became much easier and I found joy in spite of the challenges that I had with them. It is so fulfilling that at the end of the day, each would come and thank me for the productive time spent with them. That first committing mistake is a crime, but by God's grace and help and love, they have learned that whenever they commit mistake, they can correct it without being condemned. Whenever they realize that they needed help in learning to express themselves in writing and speaking, they would comfortably ask for help, opening their mouths, projecting their voices, and enunciating the words are not much challenge anymore. As they were adding more and more vocabulary words in their bank, I see more sparks in their eyes. This journey with my students makes me pray more to God to give me more strategies that I could use to cultivate in them the curiosity and eventually become more involved in the learning process. It is my fervent prayer that I would not stop raising my bar so that I would see the fulfillment of 100% English-speaking community and most especially see my students who are excited to meet Jesus when He comes.